So here it is. This was my GT copy. As you can see, I made the list of all the topics very systematically. I maintained it subject wise. What I used to do was I used to write the GT number along with the date, and I made it subject wise, where I used to write the topics which I was making mistakes and under subjects, and I used two letter coding. One was C, one was S. Here the C denoted the questions which I did correct, but it was completely a guesswork, and all other topics are the topics where I made mistakes. As you can see, initially the topics under each subjects are number of topics are more, and but eventually it came down. Here S denotes the topics or the questions which I skipped while attempting the GT, and while I was reviewing over months with every GT I was trying to improve, you would see that the number of topics under each subject came down, and it was a treat to watch. I was learning, I was improving. Hence, I would suggest you also make a GT copy, as it would take 15 to 20 minutes per subject till the number of GTs left before the exam.